My name is Imran Riaz and I work for TD Bank. I am a Chief Risk Officer for equipment finance and federal leasing. And I also do the mergers and acquisition side. It's so funny. I actually was extremely frustrated because we have all this data need and all these report needs, and we have about 70,000 employees all across the world. So it becomes that much more difficult. So starters, I wanted to do something on the website. So it's a thin client, you don't need a whole bunch of things. You don't need to deploy it. Deployment is that much easier. And I started looking for a software. So downloaded the 30-day trial thing and I started, one of the first things that I built was we were doing multiple due diligences for the banks. So at one particular point, I had 8 different teams at 8 different locations. So traditionally what you do is you get the data from the data room, you pick up your sampling of the accounts that you're going to look at and all that stuff, and you make Excel spreadsheets for everybody. So what I was struggling with was I was spending a lot more time assimilating data versus analyzing data. And it was difficult for the end users also, as they are reviewing it, that they have to fill out, and Excel is not the best place to write memos and comments and all that stuff. Over one weekend, from scratch, I built a website, secure. So team A that is looking at bank XYZ cannot see the records because you have to sign confidentiality and all that stuff. Cannot see the records from the other side. I built the whole thing. People did all of their work, wrote memos, everything in that website. And every night, once the final guy who got done told me, I am done, all I had to do was click a button and the report was generated. It's absolutely amazing. My boss was like, you kidding? You built a website that's going to do all this stuff and you can do analytics? And he's like, wow, you did that since we spoke? I'm like, yeah. It's not because I'm a genius. It's because the tool is just that good.